This is Mama Miche, and today in my magic kitchen, Valentine choke. No, I didn't just reveal my kinky side. Or did I? When it comes to food, there are a few that are considered aphrodisiacs. Oysters, strawberries, honey, and avocado are among them. One of my favorites, though, is the artichoke. And not just the heart. I'll eat the whole damn thing. Steamed, dipped in melted butter, with twice stolen spice. They take a long time to cook unless you use one of the greatest kitchen inventions ever. The Instapot takes hours off cooking times for some foods. A small artichoke steams in 5 minutes. A large one stuffed with this insanely decadent seafood stuffing takes 15. This brings me more joy than it should. Seafood stuffed artichokes were one of the very first dishes I cooked for the hubster when we had just started dating. I was playing the music festival that he co-ran in Memphis, and it took place before his birthday, and I wanted to make an impression. So I had wardrobe changes with each course, and each course consisted of foods considered aphrodisiacs. That and my hot pants, now tepid, reeled the man of my dreams into my life. 20 years later, we are still going strong, and they said it wouldn't last. Let Mama Miche make your kitchen and marriage magic. You remember the first time I made this for you?
Yes, I do. Would you like to remember?
I'm having a mouth gasm. You need to try some. Let's eat.